first grade friends. Nice to see you again. Today we are going to talk about a strategy called counting on. Now, counting on is a super easy strategy if you can always find the bigger number first. So, I'm going to say two numbers, and you're going to shout out what number is bigger. So if I say 4 and 8, how about 7 and 3? 1 and 9, 5 and 4, 2 and 10, 6 and 3, 150 and 2. You guys are good at those. So when you are doing the counting on strategy, you have to know what the biggest number is before you start. All right, so if you can find that, that's part of the easy part. Now let me show you a cool strategy that we use, because sometimes we don't have red and yellow counters. Sometimes we don't have little pennies or whatever it is that we want to use our manipulatives to help us make it easier. And I know a lot of us like to use our fingers. And yes, that's a strategy, but we're going to use our fingers in a little different way today. This is called a fist shake. So this is a fist. You go like this. Okay, and we're going to shake it by pounding it into our other hand. So for example, if I said those numbers, 8 and 4, 8 is my bigger number. So I'm going to use my fist and I'm going to say that number. 8, now I'm going to count on. 9, 10, 11, 12. See, I counted on 4 more times. I could use my fingers, but I didn't have to use 8 fingers and then 4 fingers. I don't have that many fingers. So our fist shake helps us to do bigger numbers, and you count on with the smaller numbers using your fingers. So let's try a couple together. Let's do the numbers 6 and 3. Which number is bigger? Okay, you ready to say that one? 6, and I said plus 3, so we got to count on 3 more. 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. It's always the answer is the last number you say. Let's do 2 more. How about if we do 9 and 1? What's the big number? You're right, 9. So we're going to say 9, 10. My answer's 10. Isn't that cool? It's a super easy, fast way for you to figure out how to count on by finding the bigger number. So let's take a little break and hit pause, and you practice with somebody around you. Have them give you 2 numbers. You decide who's bigger. Do the pound for the big number and count on with your fingers. Okay, I look a little different now. So here's our paper that we're going to look at today. On one side, it is having you do the same counting on, where they show you the big number. There's 7 in the pot, but they want you to add 3. So they want you to say, what do you say when you count on 3? So 7, 8, 9, 10. The number that you write last is always your answer. Okay. On the other side of your paper, when you are doing it, I want you to find the greater number first. So it says start with the greater number, but would you find the greater number by first looking at 5 and 3? Who's greater? Circle the greater number. That's going to remind your brain that it's time to do a pound. Then count on. And it'll give you your answers. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Notice at the bottom, I see some vertical ones. Do you remember what vertical means? Vertical means standing up and down. Horizontal means going across. So they have both of them for you. Just remember, first grade, that when we write the answer or our sum, in my class we do a firecracker word. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. In vertical ones, you don't write it up here on the side. You don't write it over here. It goes right underneath, because remember, this is my equal sign. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Ooh, I gave you an answer. You're welcome. Okay, I do have a joke for you today. Hope I didn't lose my spot. Oh, here it is. How can you sing underwater? With a tuna fish. Have a great day. See you next time.